This video will show you how to import select specific content such as a module into Canvas. To import content from another course, you need to be on your course homepage. First, click the Import Existing Content button on the top right-hand side. Here, you'll see an Import Content page. From the Content Type pull-down menu, choose Copy a Canvas course. Next, search for the course name using the Search for a Course box. Then choose the radio button beside Select Specific Content. In order to import the content, click the Import button. You should see your chosen course listed under Current Jobs. Click the blue Select Content button to the right of the page to see the content. To see all the modules available, click the arrow beside Modules. You need to choose each module you'd like to copy to your course by clicking the box beside the chosen module. Finally, click the Select Content button. You will see it says Queued, then Running. When it's done, it will say Completed to the right of the course name. Then go to your Modules page and the modules you selected should show there. You should know that selecting a new module to add doesn't replace current content. You can add new modules even if your course is already created and built. The module will be located at the bottom of the modules list. This concludes the tutorial.